In this video, we will introduce you to 3 top apps: Warmly Greeting Card, Invitation Greeting Card Maker, and Greeting Card Design, that will help you create personalized and heartfelt cards for any occasion. Warmly Greeting Card. Warmly Greeting Card is a user-friendly app that allows you to create personalized greeting cards with a warm touch. You can choose from a variety of templates, add your own pictures and messages, and customize the design to suit the occasion. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just to say hello, Warmly Greeting Card helps you express your sentiments in a heartfelt way. Invitation Greeting Card Maker. Invitation Greeting Card Maker is a versatile app specifically designed for creating invitation cards for various events and occasions. It offers a wide range of themes, fonts, and layouts to help you design the perfect invitation. Whether you're planning a birthday party, wedding, or baby shower, Invitation Greeting Card Maker provides all the tools you need to make your invitations stand out and impress your guests. Greeting Card Design. Greeting Card Design is a comprehensive app that allows you to unleash your creativity and design unique greeting cards from scratch. With a wide selection of design elements such as backgrounds, stickers, and text tools, you can create one-of-a-kind cards for any occasion. Whether you prefer a minimalist style or a more elaborate design, Greeting Card Design offers endless possibilities to help you craft beautiful and personalized greeting cards. Thank you for watching our video on the best greeting card maker apps for Android. Stay creative and keep spreading joy with personalized greeting cards.